Hey guys, good morning. So, in this video, we will be going through the three core aspects which are essential to understanding the field of public administration, which are the nature of the field, the scope of the field, and how it has evolved over time. I have just put this text as a reference for you guys. Instead, I'd be covering these topics in a very lucid manner. So, what is public administration? Before knowing what public administration is, you need to know what administration is. Before I tell you the definition, please do let me know in the comments what do you think administration means. Administration is derived from two Latin words ad and minister, which means to govern or to serve. So, governance is a very broad topic which I will be covering in a future videos. So, administration basically means to serve the interest of a organization and manage its people. And the prefix public indicates that it is related to government. So, public administration means the discipline which deals with the governance of government organizations. Before we delve into the nature and significance of public administration, I would like to ask you if you think public administration is an art or a science. It embodies both artistic methods and scientific methods. Scientific methods like surveying and testing theories, it's all related to science. Like physics has a lot of theories, biology has a lot of theories. So it's kind of scientific, but it's also very artistic because it requires creative problem solving and out of the box thinking. Now we will be understanding what is the significance of public administration in our society. Everything has a significance in our society. If we look at our body, every organ has a function or every organ has some significance in our life. For example, hands, legs, heart, lungs. Like that, organs of our government also have significance. Like legislative deals with the creation of laws, executive deals with the implementation of laws, and judiciary deals with the adjudication or interpretation of laws. So, public administration comes under the umbrella of executive branch of the government. Although some scholars do argue that public administration also comes under the legislative and judiciary, but public administration is mostly the function of the executive branch of the government. Also, another significance of public administration as a discipline is that it makes the bureaucratic process more efficient and saves a lot of time. For example, back in the day, when we have to do any government work, it will take months, but now it will take years. Although some areas it is still months, but progress is being made. Now we will be understanding in detail what are the functions of public administrators. So it's basically management and drafting and implementation of policies. That's it. Now we will be covering the evolution of public administration as a discipline. So public administration had three major, you can say, breakthroughs or you can say movements in history. First is the classical era. So in the classical era, it's basically started by an American president called Woodrow Wilson, who is also known as the father of public administration. It basically says about running the economy efficiently and separating politics and public administration or bureaucracy in a good way. Second is the neoclassical period, which is basically integration of public administration in the previous era and behavioral sciences or psychology, which basically was started by a Nobel Prize winner named Herbert Simon. And third is the modern era. In the modern era, it's basically corporate type of management, which is similar to the management in companies. The basic principles remain the same in both public administration and project management. These are the major thinkers who have contributed to the field of public administration. I will be covering them in detail in future videos. So now we will be knowing about the new horizons of public administration, which is also the book written by Mohit Bhattacharya, which is a standard book in UPSC preparation for the public administration optional. So the first horizon is relevance to governance and public policy. If the bureaucrats are well aware of public administrative techniques, then there will be good governance. Then the good governance will translate to fast and efficient implementation of policies, which will result in a high trust society. Means the people will be more trusting of the government because they have positive experience with the government, and it will be a virtuous cycle and keep repeating like this. And now we will be going through some contemporary perspectives on public administration. First is the emphasis on public value, which means treating the public as valuable people with rights. And second is governance versus government, which illustrates the role of NGOs and private players in governance and making our society a better place. The third perspective delves into the ethical dimensions of public administration, which are basically integrity, transparency, um, and equality, things of those sort which are really important for a fair and just system. The fourth perspective is about innovation and technology, which basically means using new age technology into the governance. For example, using AI for bookkeeping and clerical records, which will make a lot of things faster, and also use of AI in governance. If you find this video informative, then please do like this video and share it with your friends or classmates. And also subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. We will meet soon.